Hi everyone, this is Oming Tawid from smartpinoyinvestor.com, and today we'll have another short tutorial video on monitoring the performance of your investment in Philippine stock market. So today we'll try to see the performance of our investment in the Philippine stock market. So remember, in our last video, I bought some stocks, specifically Metrobank. So if you now log in, going back, no, so marami siyang menu, marami kang makikitang numbers, marami kang makikitang announcements, news, and lots of menus available. But the most basic menu that you would want to go to is this trading and then view portfolio. Okay? So as discussed, in the portfolio, you will see the stock, kung ano yung mga stock na meron ka. And the current performance, or meaning the last price. So we have here Metrobank. I have Metrobank in my portfolio. The last price is now 77 and 45 centavos. 77 pesos and 45 cents. And I have currently the volume or number of shares, which is 140. The current market value, okay, and this is my total cost or my total acquisition cost. Kung magkano yung nagastos ko when I bought Metrobank. And this is now my current profit loss value. And expressed as percentage, so that is now 9.32%. So imagine, if we now go to our history of orders, when was the date we bought Metrobank? View history, orders. So let's see yung history natin, no? So today is August 6, Monday, July 16. Ayan. So as you can see here, we bought our Metrobank 140 shares. So 140 shares got matched. We bought it at a price of 70 pesos. So that's July 20. And today is August 6. So in a span of more than 2 weeks, we've got our Metrobank shares an earning of 9.32%, which is malaki na ito, no? Considering na more than 2 weeks lang natin siya hawak. The time ngayon is 3:29. Di ko alam kung pwede natin itong mabenta. Get quote. Well, marami rin kasing nagbebenta. So, ganito lang mag-sell, no? So, just sell, and then stock code, quantity, price, and then just click preview order, and then your password, and there. But the market is already closed. So, it will be sent on the next trading date. So, this depends on the broker, no? So, yung iba, kapag close na yung market and then mag-place ka ng order, they will not accept it. But with 2Trade Asia, even though the market is already closed because the time now is 3:30 p.m., and then it says here, it will be sent on the next trading date, which is the next trading day, which is going to be tomorrow, August 7. Okay? So, if you now click view order, then naka-queue lang siya. So, Metrobank, the validity is day. Quantity, the match of course is 0 because it's still, the status is still queued. Queue, meaning nakapila pa siya. Queue means queued. So, nakapila pa siya for tomorrow. So, in other words, this order will be posted kinabukasan pa. Okay? Of course, I can cancel this. So, if I want to cancel it, I'll just select and cancel. Then just put your password and gear. So, you have your cancel. If we now go to view orders, then we no longer have an open order. Okay? So if I want to, going back to my portfolio, if I want to sell this tomorrow, then I have to put another selling order. Okay? But as you can see here, no, since maganda ngayon ang takbo ng market, in a span of more than just 2 weeks, I've got 9.32%. And my initial capital was only 10,000 pesos. Kahit maliit talaga yung capital mo, it doesn't matter. The stock market will not discriminate whether you have a big capital or a small capital. Dahil ang labanan naman dito ay percentage. So even if your capital is just 10,000, assuming na tama yung stock picking mo, then you will have gained this much. And kung meron ka rin namang capital na 1 million, 2 million, same performance pa rin naman yung makukuha mo assuming you bought the same stock. With that said, yung profit loss natin or yung specific amount, no, yung talagang value niya, in my case, since 9% mahigit, so that's 915 pesos. But imagine if you have 1 million capital, okay? So just to give you the potential, no, it's still the same 9.32%. But 9.32% of 1 million is how much? That's, ano na siya, 90,000 na siya. So in a span of 2 weeks, you would have earned 90,000 pesos. Okay? But of course, we also have to be reminded yung risk na involved because in this case, mas wealthy tayo or maybe because of our previous studies na natsyempohan natin yung akyat ni Metrobank na in a span of less than 2 weeks, meron ka ng 9.32%. But what if namali ka ng pili? No? Pagbili mo, umakyat and then bumaba, then magne-negative ka. So kung malaki rin yung capital mo, then malaki rin yung magiging lugi mo. If you have 1 million pesos, mawawalan ka ng 90,000 pesos, di ba? So ganun lang yung kalakaran, no, sa stock market. Your earnings will be expressed as a percentage. And therefore, your actual earnings, how much specifically in pesos, will depend on your capital. In my case, my capital was just 10,000 and so meron lang akong 915 pesos na potential earnings. So ito ngayon yung tinatawag nating paper gain. Paper gain meaning hindi pa siya actual gain dahil hindi pa naman natin siya binibenta. So ang tawag din dyan ay potential gain. Potential gain, paper gain, so it's the same thing. It's just a potential earnings should I decide to sell this. Okay? The next trading day, kung bumaba yung price ni Meralco, then pwedeng bumaba yung ating paper gain. So, para ma-secure mo yung profit na to, halimbawa, gusto mo talaga 900 pesos, kailangan mo siyang ibenta. At kailangan yung sell order mo na yun ay mag-match. Okay? So, ang tawag na doon is lock-in profits. Locking in profits. Meaning, you get your profits out of the table. Kailangan ibenta mo na siya at pag-match siya, and then, babalik na siya dun sa capital mo. Mawawalan ka na ng Meralco, ng Metrobank sa portfolio mo, but you will get this much, yung 10,745 less mga applicable charges, no? But I think this is already net profit. So, 915 pesos or 9%. Yun ang tinatawag na locking in profits. So, you get, kumbaga sinisecure mo na yung profit mo because kapag hindi mo pa siya binibenta, you are at the mercy of the fluctuation of the market price. Pwedeng umakyat, so pwedeng tumaas yung paper gain mo. Pwede din naman bumaba yung paper gain mo. Or worse, pwedeng yung paper gain mo magiging paper loss pa. So malulugi ka pa. That's how it plays out, no? Kaya it's really just about probability. So you cannot guarantee whether stock market will go up or down. But of course, with experience and with proper training, you can make better educated hypotheses or predictions. But no one can accurately predict it all the time. Okay, so I hope this has helped you in understanding how to check your performance in the Philippine stock market. Again, if you have more questions, you can email me at oming@smartpinainvestor.com, or you can also go to my YouTube channel. I have lots of videos, guys, available for you, especially for beginners. And if you want to learn more about trading, ito naman yung mga for experience, then I can offer to you yung technical analysis full trading course naman. So this is applicable dun sa mga willing mag-devote ng time, yung talagang seryoso matuto about trading using technical analysis and stock picking strategies. So more on timing the market. But if you are just a newbie, then I suggest you go to all my videos first and learn from it as much as you can. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you in our next videos. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.